Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abalị ọma. Depend on where you're watching me from. Afa m bụ Edna. My name is Edna. Welcome to my channel. No, n'ihe onyonyo a, the Igbo teacher. To all my returning subscribers, thumbs up. If this is your first time of coming across this amazing face, no, you are welcome. Wherever do have a seat. Let's dive straight to today's topic. N'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa, we'll use the Igbo alphabets to form words. We'll learn the pronunciation, how it sounds at the beginning of each word. The pronunciation, the sounds at the beginning of each word. Ngwa, ka anyị bido. Letter A, as in Aziza. A, as in Aziza, broom. Aziza is broom. B, as in ball. Ball. That's how we pronounce ball in Igbo language. Ball. Ball. Chi, as in chicha. Chicha, to clean. Chicha means to clean. De, as in doketa. Doketa, that is doctor. De, doketa, that is doctor. E, as in efere. Efere. Efere is plates that we use when we are eating. Efere. Efere. Fe is to fly. Fe, fly. Fe, fly. Ge, as in go. Go ihe. Go means to read. Go, to read. Go, to read. Gbe, gbaa ọsọ. Gbe, as in gbaa ọsọ. Gbaa ọsọ is to run. Gbaa ọsọ, run. Run. Gbaa ọsọ. Gbe, gbaa ọsọ. Ge, hair. Ge, as in hair. Ge, as in hair. When they say hair, it means fry. Hair, fry. Ge, as in hair. Fry, to fry something. Gwe, as in gwa. Gwa ya okwu. Gwa mu okwu. Gwe, as in gwa. Gwa ya okwu. Talk to him or her. Gwa mu okwu. Talk to me. That is gwe. Gwa ya okwu. Gwa mu okwu. We have letter He. He, as in ho. He, as in Ho is to roast. Roast a yam. Maybe you want to roast yam. Roast the meat. Ho means to roast. As in iko. Iko means cup. As in Igba. Igba. Igba means drum. Igba is drum. Je as in G. Je as in G. G is yam. Yam. Je as in G. Ke as in karama. Ke as in karama. Karama is bottle. We call it karama in Igbo language. Ke as in karama. Karama. Be as in kpakpando. Kpakpando means star. Kpakpando. Be kpakpando. Kwe as in Jose. Stop. Kwe as in Jose. Jose means stop. Stop. Jose. Stop. Le as in le. Look or see. Le as in le. Look. See. Me as in Mary. Mary. Water. Me as in Mary. Mary is water. Ne as in, you can call it as in ngaji. Ne or as in ngaji. Depends on the word. Sometimes it might sound as if it's different depending on the word you want to pronounce. Ngaji. Nye as in ngo. Nye, that is N with dots on top. Nye, it sounds nye as in ngo. Ngo is drink. Drink. If you have watched this video up to this point and you have not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so as to be the first to get informed whenever I post amazing videos like this. Ndewo. Let's continue. Can you be there by yourself? Nwe as in nwa. Nwe as in nwa. Nwe nye as in nye. Give. O as in oche. O as in oche. Oche is chair. O as in okuko. Okuko is chicken. Okuko, chicken. Pe P as in poor. Poor. Poor means get out. Poor. P as in poor. Re. Re as in rie. Rie means eat. Eat. Say. Say as in sie. Sie is cook. Cook. Say, sie, cook. She as in Aisha. We don't normally have words that begin with she in Igbo, but Aisha has SH, she in the middle. She, Aisha. Aisha is shrimp. She, Aisha. T as in ta. Chew. U as in ude. Ude is cream. Ude. O as in olo. O as in olo. House. V as in vo isigi. V as in vo isigi. That is to comb your hair. We as in were. Take. Nye. Yo means to sieve. Z as in za. Za is to sweep. Sweep. Ndewo. We have come to the end of this tutorial. You can always go back to this video, watch it over and over. That is how to learn Igbo. The easiest way to learn Igbo is to practice. As you are watching, you practice. You can start speaking with somebody around you. Anytime you find any words difficult, any letter, you can always go back to the video and rewatch it. By so doing, you are learning. Ngwakodi. Ndewo.